Today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of this Burlington located in the Edmonds, Washington area. This is one of my favorite Burlington stores simply because they have so much stuff. This is the biggest store I've ever been to. I mean, it's like a treasure. It's located like right under a antique store and like flea market. There's so much stuff in here that you can spend the whole day sorting through it. You'll find a lot of treasures too. So here it is. Happy shopping. Okay, let's check out their shoes. Ooh. Wow, whole car full of shoes waiting to be inventory. A lot of choices. Look at that. Ooh, wait. All these slides under $10? Wow. Alright guys, I'm looking for some sandals. I see a lot of sandals right here. Oh, what's this? Oh, these are Nike Asuna. Oh wow, these look beautiful. I'm gonna have to definitely try these out. Look at this, got special, must I say, Nike sportswear, customizable too. These look beautiful. Wait, how much they want for this? Oh my goodness, $15.99. Marked down from $19.99. I think this sells online for like $30 or $40. This is a steal. Alright, let me get my Nike Vista sandals and try the Nike Asuna US men's size 8. Oh, look at this. It fits perfect. Wow. Looks good too. Look at this. Doesn't that look good? And for what price? $15.99? Kidding me? These go for like $30, $40. I don't know. Definitely copying these. Alright guys, so I'm at Burlington. First time at this location. Looking for some shoes, specifically some very cheap trail running shoes. Oh, what are these? Oh, a Via. Okay. These shouldn't be that expensive. Oh wow, I can go with that. Yeah, only $15. I like the colorway too, and look at the treads. I think I'm gonna go with these. Alright guys, I'm looking for some sandals. Look, these right here. Oh, these are bass. These look pretty nice. Let's go ahead and try these out. Alright guys, I'm looking for sandals. I see a lot of options right here. Oh, what's this? Oh, these are the Teva Polaroid sandals. Look at this. Wait, I think this is the pair that I returned, I think. Yeah. When I bought it, it was $19.99. Oh my goodness, they marked it down to $7.19. Now I'm gonna have to definitely buy these. For $20, I wasn't sure, but for under $8, I'm definitely rebuying these again. I'm at the shoe store looking for some sandals. There are many choices right here. Too many to even. Gonna take a while. Whoa, what are these? Polaroid. I didn't know Polaroid makes sandals. What exactly are these? Oh my goodness, these are Teva Polaroid? Oh, this must be the exclusive Teva Polaroid sandals. Wow, they look very unique. Let's go ahead and try these out. So I actually reviewed these before, but I want to show you the fit. Here's a Nike Vista men's size 8. It fits perfectly. So a size 9 looks a little bit big, but for that price you can't beat it because they only have this pair. See? It's a special collab between Teva and Polaroid. Just with straps. Yeah, it's just a little bit big, but like I said, for that price, got it. Look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful? Yeah, that looks good. Comfortable too. Look at this, see? Look at this pair of polo shoes. Small, but let's see how much. Oh, marked down to $20. Look at this. These probably go for like 50 or something. Crazy. And look at this pair of Nautica shoes right here. See, it's $11.29. It's cheap. Marked down to $25. Oh, wow. You don't have to spend a lot if you come to Burlington. Let's look at more of the men's shoes. See, you got Fila, Tommy Hilfiger. See, Goodyear. Oh, Tommy Hilfiger marked down 1919 for this Goodyear $22. They're using work boots. Molly, $18. Got some Fila, traveling shoe. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I think these go for like $80 online. A lot of good deals. See, Bass, Sandals. Oh my goodness, marked down to like $14. I paid each $20 for this a couple weeks ago. So I'm looking for some sandals for the summer. Got some Tevas here. They look nice. Not the size that I want. Adidas. Oh, one of these right here. Oh, these are Bass. Ooh, right size too. I was looking for something leather. Let's go with these. But too big of a size. Got the caps, socks right here, belts. A lot of things. Checkout line right there. Underwear, socks. Let's take a look at all their caps. Look at. In fact, I bought my polo cap here. It was like $20. Sports. They even have like Tommy Hilfiger. You see Adidas, Raiders. See, all kinds. Gonzaga. More Gonzaga. This time doesn't seem like they have that many good ones. See? Adidas. I don't know what's this guest shirt doing here. Levi's. Mickey Mouse. Alright, I'm looking for some crossbody. Oh man, these Jordan ones look real nice. These Puma ones. Like everywhere. Hold on. I want some crossbody bag. Oh, this Champion one looks good. But I already have a similar style. Oh, this one? Nah. Dickie? Nah. This is exactly the style I want. Adidas logo too. Look at that. Let's go ahead and go with this. They even have a lot of the shoes for toddlers and children. Oh, many are already marked down. Look at the price. Crazy prices. It's $3 for that. Even for use. Socks. Clothes for children. Backpacks. Lastly, let's not forget their toy section. See all the toys? How much is something for this? $9.99 for this. Pokemon. A lot of toys for the kids right here. See? How much is Robo? Stunt. $12. You can buy a lot of presents right here. Wow, they have so many purses for women, handbags, purses. The brands are all over the place, so you have to look. So many. See, somebody just bought something. So many women's shoes too. Aisles and aisles of women's shoes. See? Sandals, sneakers, shoes. Calvin Klein's. Look at this. So many. US Polo, Levi's, Skechers, Puma. Ladies' shoes. See, zapatos. See the clothes over there, clearance. Fitting room. Look at this. So many. You could spend the whole day in here. Here's the clearance section. A lot of new markdowns. See that? Let's take a look at the dresses. Wow, so many styles of dresses. See that? Things on sale. It's not orderly, but it's fun looking for gems. This is a nice one. Look at this CK. Ooh, this is a very nice one. How much is this? $15? It's crazy. Let's take a look at the home furnishings. Ooh, luggages. So many options. I wonder if they have a Samsonite. Like for example, here's DKN one for sale. Oh, $40? That's a steal, man. That's like carry-on luggage. London Fog, $55. Ooh, definitely come here instead of paying ridiculous prices. See? Nautica. If I only find a Samsonite, Calvin Klein on sale. Man, they mark a lot of things on sale. It's better than Ross, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx. See people looking at clothes. It didn't take me long to find this Samsonite. Let me guess. This is like a medium size. I would say this is what, like $80? Let's see. $79.99. Hey, that's a good deal. It's a lightweight version too. Look at this. Samsonite brand. I always trust a Samsonite brand. Aisles of automotives. Home furnishings, kitchen, bedding. Look at that. Pillows. Actually, I bought a pillow from here. Great deal. It's like $17. Ridiculous deal. Some more home furnishings. See all the red stickers are the price marked down. Oh my goodness. Look at all these beautiful wall art. Look at this Justice League. Got this lenticular. Is that? Oh. But anyway, it's beautiful. We got the Avengers. We got Team Batman, Star Wars. And this Spider-Man, Captain America. What's behind here? Oh, another Spider-Man. Let's see what's behind this one. Oops. Yeah. Got Mandalorian. Oh, wait, look at this classic one. Space Spider-Man number 65. Wow, Incredible Hulk. We'll get it from Burlington. Alright, inside Burlington, so much stuff. Take you hours. Luggages, everything. Pillows. Home furnishings. Yeah, I'm taking home this Michael Kors shirt. And something for my wife. That. Let me just give you a quick walk around. Kitchen utensils. See, kitchen utensils. Wow. Pots and pans, everything. And look, even a lot of snacks. See, so much snacks. Let's take a look at the men's shirts right here. Okay. Gap. They have even Gap. See, True Religion. Nice polos. Aeropostale. Let's see what they have in the markdown section right here. Oh, $12 for this. Guess. Wrong section. Here's one. Michael Kors for $18. Ben Sherman. This is a nice shirt. $16. Michael Kors, $22. Oh, this is the Gap sweatshirt I'm buying. $15. Here's a Top Gun shirt. Oh, what is this? Compton Fishing Club Matex. This is cool. Look at this. $6.48. What is this? Compton Matex Fishing Club, Los Angeles. This is a cool shirt right here. What about this one? Swiss Alps. This looks pretty nice. For $12. Alright, so I've got a lot of deals right here. Even the checkout line has a lot of stuff, see? Well, definitely come to Burlington for your best deals. I always do.